Today's lesson for math is lesson 149, where we will be renaming 10 hundreds as 1,000. So over here I have a place value chart and I have a number in that place value chart. So I have my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, first off, how many ones are there? There are 3. Do we need to rename 3? Nope. 3 fits right in our one spot because we know that we can have up to 9 ones in our ones place value chart. So 3 is less than 9, so that fits. What is in our tens place value? There are 5, right? 5 tens. Do we need to rename 5 tens? No, again, because we can have up to 9 tens in our tens place value chart, and 5 is less than 9, so 5 fits. How many hundreds do we have in our hundreds place value? We have 11. Do we need to rename 11 hundreds? Yes, we do, because we can only have 9 hundreds in our place value for hundreds. And this is greater than 9. 11 is more than 9. So we need to rename this right here. That's what we're going to be doing today. Renaming 10 hundreds, this right here, as 1,000. So let's draw this out. Let's say that each of these little boxes is equal to 100. And we can remember that there are 10 tens and 100. That is 10. How many do we have? We have 11, so I need to draw one more. Now, in our hundreds place value right here, we have 11, but that does not fit. How many do fit in there? We can have up to 9. But remember that if we need to rename, we're going to be borrowing 10 hundreds. So I'm going to circle 10 of these hundreds and take them away from this hundreds place value, and I'm going to change them into 1,000. 10 hundreds is the same thing as 1,000. So 1,000 looks like this. It's like a cube, right? There are 10 hundreds in 1,000. So, how many hundreds do I have left over? If this is equal to this, 10 hundreds right here is equal to 1,000. How many hundreds do I have left over? Can you spot it? There we go. It's right here. We have 100 left over. So we need to erase this number right here and put the right amount of hundreds in. We have only 100 in our hundreds spot. Now, what did we put for our thousands now? We took a 10 away and we're giving it to the thousands. So 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000. 1,000 goes in our thousand spot. So our number is 1,153. Rather than 1,153, right? We can't say that. So it's 1,153. That's our number. And what we did there was we renamed 10 hundreds as 1,000. Because we have 10 plus one more is 11 hundreds. So basically 1,100 equals 1,000 plus 100. Okay, now let's look at adding 4-digit numbers with renaming. So I'm going to erase some of this here, and then we're going to do some addition by renaming our hundreds or thousands or ones, depending on what we need to do. So let's pick a number. How about we do 4,583 plus 512. 4,583 plus 5,000, excuse me, not 5,000, 512. let's add this together and see what we need to rename. If we need to rename anything. We're going to first draw our line, put our symbol in. We're not subtracting, we are adding. Okay, 3 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 5 ones. 5 is less than 9, so we can leave 5 ones in our ones place value. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is equal to 9, so we can leave that in our tens place value. 5 plus 5 is 10, and that is greater than 9, so we have to rename this 10 so that it actually fits in our hundreds. 10 hundreds. Let me draw that out really quickly. 10 hundreds is equal to how many thousands? That is equal to just 1,000, right? So we do not have any leftover hundreds, so we're going to leave that as 0 and put the extra 1,000 up on top, and then we're going to add none. 0 thousands plus 4,000 is 4,000 plus another 1,000 is 5,000. So our answer is 5,095. Okay, let's do another one. Before I erase that, what did we rename? We renamed the hundreds, right? The hundreds place value, and we turned it into 1,000 because we could not have 10 hundreds in our hundreds place value. We have to have 9 or less. Okay, next. Let me fix that right there. We can add, let's add 1,338. 1,338 plus 571. Boom. Okay, let's add these together and see what we need to rename. 8 plus 1 is 9. Ooh, perfect. 9 is the same as 9. 9 equals 9, so we can leave that in our ones place value. 9 is equal to or less than or equal to 9, so we can leave that in our ones place value. 7 plus 3, or 3 plus 7, that is going to equal 10. We have 10 tens. Can we put a 10 in our tens place value? Nope, we can only have 9 or less. So we need to, actually let me leave that right here and demonstrate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trains, right? And 10 trains is the same as 100. So we are going to rename 10 tens into 100. We're going to put our 100 up here, and we're going to take away that, and we have 0 tens left over. Okay? So 0 tens. Now let's add the hundreds. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 hundreds. We can leave 9 there because we have 9 or less in our hundreds place value. Now let's add the thousands. 1,000 plus nothing is 1,000. So our final answer is 1,909. All right, you guys got it? That's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to practice renaming 10 hundreds as 1,000, and then adding 4-digit numbers by renaming 10 hundreds as 1,000s, and other place values like zeros, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. All right, good luck with that.